Today on my Sandy Guys, we're cooking 4 sunny side up eggs in a cold pan. Yep, so let's get started. Okay, let's take out our bread here. We don't need that in there right now. Okay, we have our eggs here. Now the traditional way would be to go ahead and warm up your pan, put some oil in there, and then go ahead and, and put your eggs in there. But today we're going to do it differently. We're going to leave our pan cold, and we're going to put our oil in, and then we're going to put our eggs in. Okay, let's put some oil in the pan here. Now we're going to crack some eggs. Okay, now that we have our 4 eggs in there, our pan's cold. We put oil in our 4 eggs. Now we're going to set our burner to medium-low, and we're going to cook them slow. And we're going to go ahead and cover that and let that heat up a little bit, and watch our yolks and make sure they're nice and soft. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. They got to go a little while yet though. Maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, let's give them a check here. Oh yeah, let's get them out of there. They're perfect. Okay, let's get these sunny side up eggs out of there. Boy, they look good. Alright. Can you see them? Boy, they look nice. Okay. Boy, that looks really good here. These eggs are nice and soft yet. Good. Now we can't forget our toast. We gotta have toast. Right? There you go. Nice. And while I was at it, I made a little bit of Hollandaise sauce. We're gonna put that on there. Boy, that looks nice. Put a little more on there. Put a tiny bit of salt and a little bit of pepper and a little bit of parsley flakes. Boy, does that look good. Can you see it? Really tasty looking here. Now remember, we started out with a cold frying pan here. So let's see how it is. Let's just get into a little bite here. Oh yeah, look at the yolk. Oh, is that good looking right there. Look at that. Beautiful with the Hollandaise sauce and the toast. What a nice breakfast this is. There it is, guys. We cooked 4 sunny side up eggs in a cold frying pan. We started off with a cold pan, cold oil, and then we turned up the heat and covered it, and it turned out really good. You ought to give it a try this way. It's practically foolproof, and you can watch your egg yolks, especially with that clear lid that we had. Yep. Okay, let's just get into a little bite here. Good. Beautiful. Okay guys, you know what'll go good with that right there? Yep. A nice pot of coffee. But I didn't make any, so maybe I'll just have a cup. That sounds good. Good. Yeah, I just gotta have another little bite. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, look how jiggly these eggs still are. Can you see them? Well, they're still jiggly. Okay guys, boy are they tasty. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.